This is the ultimate resource for resolving persistent Snapchat temporary lockouts. Having personally encountered this exact issue and meticulously tested numerous approaches, I've successfully uncovered several reliable methods that consistently restore account access, and I will share each one with you now. First, consider a clean slate approach, clearing your Snapchat app's cache and data, then reinstalling the application. This crucial step addresses potential software corruption, which often manifests as authentication errors or repeated lockouts, by removing any damaged local files and ensuring you're running the freshest, most stable version of the app. Next, focus on account verification and bolstering your security. Regularly resetting your password and meticulously verifying your associated email and phone number reestablishes your legitimate ownership, which is vital as lockouts frequently occur when the system detects unusual login patterns or potential security breaches. Enabling two-factor authentication further signals account integrity. Thirdly, scrutinize your network connection and device settings. Unstable internet, the use of VPNs that might obscure your true location from Snapchat's security protocols, or even incorrect device time can all trigger security flags, leading to temporary restrictions. Ensuring a stable, direct connection and accurate device time helps Snapchat's servers confidently authenticate your session. Finally, if previous steps don't resolve the issue, direct engagement with Snapchat support is paramount. Some lockouts stem from deeper, server-side issues or an account being flagged for review, which only their dedicated team can investigate and manually resolve. Providing detailed information allows them to diagnose and lift the restriction effectively, getting you back onto the platform without further delay.